Hi there, Tube Tambi here. Our friends over at the Drone Zone AV have created something special, and we want to share this creation with you. Auroville as you've never seen it before. A peek at our community from a new perspective, the sky. This collection of breathtaking shots are compiled in one amazing book by two young inspired Aurovillians. Have a look at their work here and enjoy the view. Let their new book take you on an aerial journey through winding red soil paths, clustered greenery, and architectural beauty, all captured from the clouds. From sunrise to sunset. From education to cultural heritage. From botany to architecture. You too can have a bird's eye view of Auroville life, accompanied by select quotes from Sri Aurobindo and the Mother. Do you want to see more? Just click the link in the description below and get your very own hard copy today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.